This is Daniel St. Pierre with Cybergenica and Glorious Media, and in this video we're going to be taking a look at CryptoTab, the free extension for both Firefox and Chrome. The application installs in only a few seconds and allows anyone to mine Bitcoin using your computer's CPU. Does it work? Well, let's find out, shall we? Now I've got it turned off at the moment. To turn it on, drag the slider to the right. The more you mine, well, the more CPU power you'll need. Let's take a look at my system resources now that I've got the application running. Now you'll notice here I have dual core CPUs on this machine, and I went from using minimal resources before I launched the application to using maximum CPU power after I launched the app. While that's not such a big deal if I'm not using my PC to render video or run complex programs that otherwise require a lot of CPU power, while running CryptoTab on Macs does impact overall computer performance, as you can see. I've been running CryptoTab for about 2 to 3 days, and to be honest, I didn't expect much considering the mining application is free and the hash speed, well, it's minimal compared to other mining devices that I use. Now, that being said, in 2 to 3 days, I generated under 3 pennies, and my affiliates, all 3 of them, have generated just under 4 cents. So, in 2 to 3 days, I made less than a dime. Now, does CryptoTab work? Well, yeah. It's slow, but it seems to do what it claims to do, which is mine Bitcoin using a tab within a browser. Am I going to get rich mining Bitcoin using CryptoTab? Well, hardly. But then again, if I had 10,000 affiliates instead of 3, and they were mining for me, now that would be a different story. So, what do I think about CryptoTab? Well, I think it has potential, but it's only lucrative for the people at CryptoTab and the few lucky ones who are at the top of the virtual pyramid. There you have it. It's my CryptoTab review. I hope you enjoyed the video. In the event you did, please hit the like button and make sure to subscribe for more cryptocurrency videos in the near future. And as always, feel free to share and comment. Thanks again for watching. Until next time, may God bless you and yours as you endeavor to prosper and bring Him glory in your cryptocurrency endeavors.